So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn about HR, BR, Div and tags, these three tags, and making some forms. So let's get started. First I will make a file which will be known as q3.html. Sorry, I have made a wrong file. So what will I do? I will delete this file and remake this file. q3.html. Okay, now it's fine. And as fast as I will take my HTML boilerplate and write br, comma, hr, comma, div, comma, div tags and making forms. So firstly, please subscribe my channel and save this playlist and bookmark it here. So let's start. Firstly, I will start by making forms. Where so firstly I will start with BR tag. What is BR tag? BR means break line. Like if I write from last video, we have seen these tags here, which I will copy and paste it here. I will go live and you can see there is no space between them, means no line break between these tags. However, we made it from new line. So for this to for if we want our line to break, what we can do, type br and it is a br tag. I will increase my font size. Sorry. And you can see here it is br tag. So what basically br tag does, it breaks the line, and as you can see now it is coming in new line. And if I remove br tag, you will be able to see that it is now in single line, and now br tag has come, so it is in another line. But br tag is not a good way for doing this. It is not recommended. So what I will do here, I will type br to break lines. Not recommended. Recommended. Okay, now it is the br tag which breaks line, and now hr tag. So what is hr tag? It makes a line between two things. Like you can see here, it has made a line between these two. Google visit tutorial 1. So it divides things. In some website it is useful. So now what I will do, I will remove this. Here I will write br and now hr HR to make a line between two things. So this is HR tag, and now last is our div tag. So what div tag does? It is recommended over BR. If I write here, okay, my div one has gone, so I will take it from here, Control plus C, and now I will paste this. And what is div? If we will type div, so you can see here a div tag has come. It just breaks the line. Okay, I have made it 2 times. Oh yes. So what can I do? I will remove this simply. So div also breaks lines, but is recommended over BR because we can also write between div, like I will hi. So you will be able to see we have written hi and it has come between these two. So div breaks line and recommended over BR. What happened? Sorry. Now it's fine, but it is recommended because if while styling we use div, we cannot use BR. Now let's remove this, and what I will do here, type div, and now here what I will do, div this, recommended over here, recommended over here, and then because it can be styled and contain multiple objects. So these are BR, HR and div. So what I will do, comment this, and now start making form. Starting. So here I can write, first I have to take a form tag, form, you can see it is form action form. Then we have to make a label for and here I will write, yes, like we want text, so we can write input input, and you can see here there are so many input types. So what can I write? I only need text, so I will only make this, and text is default, so it has come input type text. And then so for this we need to study firstly IDs and classes. So what are IDs and classes? I will open my whiteboard and create a new. I think I don't want this, so I will tell this with my mouth. So what are IDs? IDs are the names given to a particular thing, but they are unique, and classes are not unique. Classes can be given to different things. So here we have to give an ID is equals to this, and I can type Ansh. So here I will type Ansh, and in for input I can type name and then input, and then control S to save. And you can see here it has come here input. What can I do here? Also I can type placeholder. Placeholder equals to like enter your name. Control S to save. And you can see here it is enter your name. We will write, if we will write anything, it will go here. Then next I will copy this, control D, and here I will write pass, and then in type we will type password, and ID I will say pass, and enter your password. Control S to save, and then we will see here it has come, but in the same line. So what we will do, make a div here, div. So control S to save, and now it's fine, and I can enter my name. Okay, but and my password is hidden also, so it's fine. And here I can change my password, and what can I do next? Control D, input type equals to mobile number, so number, and here I will type mobile number. Mob, ID mob, control S to save, and we have to make a div also, so I will type div. Now it's fine, and now let's make a submit button. So what I will do, copy it and then press Ctrl D, and let's first make a div, and now I will type here submit. And mobile, remove the mobile number. We don't need a label for this. Control S to save. Sorry, we have to remove the placeholder also, ID also, and we have to type text equals to, and then type check, like check. I can type and close this tag and control S to save. Now here I can type it, and you can see it is clicking. Yes, and like unch.py, let's rename this, and so cannot get unch.py because we don't have this file, otherwise it will go there. And .py file means Python file, that is not our topic. So here I will type input button value is equals to check, and type will be submit. There are other types also, like this check, it will be checking if. Now there are other so many types, like input, if I will say here it is checkbox, email, file, like I want an image from the user, to control S to save. Okay, I have to get the image. So what can I do? Open link in new tab. Okay, I don't want to go to this. So what will I do? Go to my website and get the image. Open image in new tab. And here copy this, control C, and then src, which I have already told you. So now, so this, and what can be other input type? Input type button, input type checkbox, color, date, date time local, email, f means file, like we can get the file from the user, file, and like अंश w लिख देते हैं. We can type choose file, all files, like I can do this, open this, and the file is loaded here. We can choose other files also, like this. Here we can only type number, and we can only type e here as a number, and everything we can type. So it is looking not too good, but when we will styling, it will look good. There is an input type called checkbox. So here it is, and we can, it is input type checkbox. We can name it anything, id anything, and you can see here it has come here, and when we click this it becomes checked. And when we, and there are some buttons also like radio buttons, submit, reset. So there is input type color, control S to save. I am not typing right. id, here I can get colors like white, red. It's totally depends. Or we can also get other things like input, password, radio, range, reset, search, submit, tell. Yes, it is tell, control S to save. Here it is come. I don't know what is its meaning because I have also never used this. So there are so many types, like I can get input type URL. What can it do? If I will say control, it is the URL. So there are so many input types, and this is all for today's this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.